What we have here today is a brass original, Hunter original from 1989. The most interesting feature about this fan is the fact that it is 48 inches in diameter. The 48-inch original, if you know anything about these, then you know this is the rarest size of them all. They're available in 32, very early on, 36-inch, 42-inch, 48-inch, as seen here, 52, 56, and 60-inch sizes, but 48 is the rarest size. Very few of these have surfaced. It seems like when they do surface, it's maybe every few years, if that. So, yeah. Basically what this is a 42-inch original motor with extended blades. Narrow extended blades. See, but it also has an isolation ring. Yeah. All the 42-inch originals have this, so does the 48-inch. So, when I got this thing, someone decided to rig it with a ball socket. Don't ask me why, but that's how it currently is. Now let's see how it performs. Starting on low. The blade pitch of this is 10.4 degrees, I believe. Although the isolation ring does not seem to be doing as well as it should. Because there's a bit of a residual buzz. As far as when these were available, I want to say between, say, 1989, maybe 1988 and like 1990, maybe 91 at the latest. These things are extremely rare, and I think only popped up in certain catalogs, so it's possible that this size was an exclusive to one store or another, although I'm completely baffled as to where these were sold. Like I said, they're so rare, it's really anyone's guess. Let's go to medium. Medium, the air's starting to move. .42-inch originals, when they were introduced, used the same C-shaped blade irons as the 36-inch original. And the 48-inch, when it was introduced, used the same thing. At some point in the early, maybe mid-90s, they changed to the more standard style. That was seen up until the very end in 2015, I believe, is when the 42-inch was discontinued. Now let's go to high speed. oddly enough, this thing actually performs pretty well. A lot better than the 42-inch size, which uses the same motor. Because with the 42-inch, you max out with speed, and you only have that 10.4 or 10.5 degree blade pitch, and it just doesn't do much. It just makes noise. Wind noise, pretty much. But this thing, with the longer blades, actually performs surprisingly well, all things considered. A lot better than I expected, honestly. Let's turn it off. Did not have time to oil the fan, so it's running off the residual oil that was in the fan prior to deinstallation. So the spin down time will not be particularly long. The blades reverse from oak to walnut. By this point, Hunter started using the crappy paper veneer on all of their fans, and this is no different. Of course, in the mid-90s, they started using actual wood, furniture-grade wood veneer on the originals, but yeah, they got cheap in the late 80s, early 90s. And there you have it, the extremely rare 48-inch Hunter original in bright brass.